Okay guys, so we all know that Grok AI is no longer free. To have access to Grok right now, you need to subscribe to the Super Grok, and to some creators this is a big challenge to them. But the truth is that there are plenty of other ways to use Grok AI completely free without subscription. And in this video I'm going to show you guys a new way to access and use Grok AI for free. Now let's take a look at some of the videos I generated with Grok AI for free using the method which I'm going to show you guys in this video step by step.
This is so delicious. I'm ready to serve it to my husband.
Don't forget to go ahead, leave a like and subscribe for more AI videos just like this. Also, go ahead and join my free AI community. Link is going to be in the video description down below. Alright guys, so the AI tool I'm going to be talking about in this video is called RoboNeo.com. This platform is a little bit complicated, so you need to follow along so you understand every step of the way. So all you need to do is to just go ahead and click on it right here. Once you tap on it, it's going to load up and take you to their official website homepage. So to sign up, all you need to do is to come over here, click on login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you right here. You can continue with your email, continue with Google, Facebook, or with your Apple. So once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now, if you come over here at the top, you can see that this platform, once you sign up, they give you 70 credits. They have daily free credits here. So every day at midnight, it's refresh and give you 20 credits. So first of all, let's go ahead and focus on getting access to Grok right now. So all you need to do to get access to Grok is to come over here on the platform and click on new project. Once you click on it, it's going to take you right here. Now over here you can see agents plus canvas. You can also see workflow here. So we are not going to be using agent plus canvas here. We are going to be using workflow. So I'm going to go ahead, click on it. So it's going to load up and take you right here. So just go ahead, collapse this right here. And all you need to do is to go ahead and get rid of everything you are seeing right here. So just go ahead and select it. Go ahead, select it like so, then delete it. Now you can see this interface is actually clean now for you to work with it. So all you need to do is to come over here, click on this plus icon, and this is going to open up. Now down here in the creation type, you can see right here, you can use text to image here, which means you paste the text and the AI generates the images for you. They have text to video as well. They have image to video, first and last frame, motion control, video reference. So the first one we are going to be trying in this video is the image to video. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on image to video. Now once I click on image to video, this is going to open up. All I need to do is to just go ahead and zoom it right here by clicking on zoom to fit. You can also go ahead and arrange it however you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and arrange it like this. Now the next thing you need to do is to come over here and upload your image. I'm going to click on it right here, and it's going to open up and take me to my laptop where I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to go ahead and upload this image right here, and you can see it loading right here. Let's allow it to load. Okay guys, so you can see the image has been uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here and click on where it says select model right here. So if I click on it, you can see there are several models you can use here. See them 1.0, Clink AI, and a lot of them. So all I'm going to do is to scroll all the way down here and select on Grok. And you can see Grok is selected right here. So the video duration, we are going to select 6 seconds. Next, we are going to come down here and select the resolution. On the resolution here, we are going to leave it on 720p. So to turn this image to video, the next thing we are going to do is to come over here, click on the plus icon again. Then this time we are going to go ahead and select on text. Once we select on text, we are going to see this text box here. So let's just go ahead, drag it up here at the top. We are going to go ahead and connect the node right here. Once we connect the node, next thing we are going to do right now is to type in our prompt here, and this is the prompt that is going to animate our image here and turn it to video. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt right here like this. You can see Grok is selected, 6 minutes, and you can see it's set on 720p. So let's just go ahead and run it and see it running right here. Now if I go ahead and scroll down here, you can see the video is generating, and you can see the percentage is counting right there. Okay guys, so the video has finished generating. So I'm just going to go ahead and play the video right now.
This is so delicious. I'm ready to serve it to my husband.
You can see how the video came out very clean. This is generated using Grok AI model for free inside this AI tool. Now if you take a look at the top right here, you can see my credit has remained just 40 credits. So guys, if you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome video just like this. Also, don't forget to join our free community. The link is going to be in the video description, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.